Linux privilege escalation SUID. So let's connect to this machine. IP address. Yes, password was password1. Here you will notice these files have yes set showing their special permissions level. So -04000, it means files which it will display all the files which are having special permission. So here you can see a RWSR, so in the picture. So yes is the special permission for the user. So let's check it. Find /-type f is the file, hyphen perm, perm means permission, 04000, okay, -ls. So it will display all the permissions. So to not to get errors, we're gonna use this extra command. So what? Find -type f -040, okay, -ls, okay. So here we can see all the files which have the special permission. RWS, R is the read, write, and S is the special permission. So these are all the things we have special permissions. These are all the commands. So we're gonna use this GTFO bins again. It was still like running. Let's see how much time it's gonna take. So as it was SUID permission, we're gonna check the SUID. Here it was there. So these are all the binary we have SUID permissions. So yeah, I think it's completed. No, not yet. But as we can see, unmount chf, sudo unmount password base64. In this we can see base64 was there. So we're gonna use this base64. The process of doing this one was very simple. So we're gonna give the file permissions. If we want to check the users, all the users belong to this machine, we're gonna check in etc password file, cat etc ssw password. So we can see here all the users. So nobody, system d, Karen, user 2, and Gary Conway, Ubuntu, all these are users. In the same way, to get the passwords, we're gonna see the file which that is /etc shadow, cat etc shadow. So permission was denied here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna follow these instructions. So we're gonna file to read. So that one was etc shadow, and we're gonna assign it to L file. So instead of L file we can use any, like LLL. I'm using LLL is equal to etc shadow. I have assigned this etc shadow to LLL using the base64. Here they had given the base64 and the variable here, and base64 decode. Okay, base64 $LLL capital L's all, and pipe here base64 decode. So we got the permission to read all the hashed passwords. This is the Gary Conway user to Karen password. What they have asked, let's see the question. Share the greatest comic book. Which user shares the name of greatest comic? So here this name looks the same, so that one was the answer, and they are asking for the user to password. So to check the user to password, what we're gonna do is we're gonna split the screen. What we are going to do is we have to copy this user to hash password. Okay, vim user 2.txt, insert and paste that and save the file. And then another thing was we also need this user file which was located in etc password, cat etc PSSWD password. Here is the user too, so we're gonna copy this again. Txt. I have created two files and added both these, cat user text, cat user text. Here you can see both the etc password file user and the encrypted hash, that means hash password was here in the two files. We're going to use a tool called unshadow to combine both of them. Unshadow user2.txt user.txt. I'm combining these both to a new file called user PSSW password, cat user password. I think it's not happened. Unshadow user.txt user2.txt user password. Yeah, here you can see if both of them get combined here. So we're gonna use the John, that is John the Ripper. John word list. I'm using Rocky, which was by default in Kali Linux. User share word list rocky.txt user password. As the password was very weak, so it has completed. To check the password, we're gonna use another command, John --show user password. Here is the password 1. So that one was the answer. And we also need to check the flag3.txt. I don't know where it was, so I'm gonna use the command find name flag3.txt. Oh, it was showing all the errors too. So what I do is I will add extra line, find name flag3.txt to. If you don't know this one, it's gonna remove all the errors, these type of messages, and it will show the exact path. So here the flag located, so I'm gonna cat this one, cat home ubuntu flag3.txt. Again we got the permission denied. We're gonna do the same thing which we had done previously, going to assign to a variable flag is equal to home ubuntu flag3.txt. I'm using again base 64. base 64 dollar flag base 64 hyphen hyphen decode. Here is the flag.